So while Dan's up route planning our overnight trip down the coast of Spain, we're going to be out overnight, so I have to plan what we're going to be eating the next couple days. And a lot of that depends on the sea state. If it's going to be really rough weather, then I stick to just sandwiches or something that I can put together. But it's not supposed to be very rough, so right before we leave, we're going to be leaving around noon. I'm going to use up some of my leftovers. So I have some baby potatoes and a little bit of broccoli and some mushrooms. And I have one egg left in my egg box that I don't want to keep around. So I'm going to use that one egg plus one egg from my new carton, and then we'll be one egg short of a dozen, but that will not be the first or the last time I'm accused of that. Anyway, I'll get rid of that extra egg, and I have some bacon, so we're having breakfast for lunch today. I'm going to make egg scramble with the bacon and the veggies. Oh, and I have a couple of my sourdough scones left over. We'll have those, and that will clean up all my little leftovers. I hardly ever use a recipe when I'm cooking. I do if I'm baking something like scones, but otherwise I just take whatever food I have and I throw it together with some herbs and whatever strikes me to do that day. So with my breakfast, I'm doing sauteing the cubed baby potatoes, and I put on some garlic, some pepper, some salt. And then I thought, why fry the bacon separately? So I'm going to cut up this bacon. It's not the same bacon that we have in the U.S. It's not quite as messy. It's fatty and thinner. And you can have this package. Almost like ham slices here. So I'm going to cube these and throw them in with the potatoes so they can all brown and get nice and crisp together. And then after that, I'm going to throw in my veggies. So let's see how that works out. My potatoes and my bacon are crisping up really nicely. So I'm going to throw in the mushrooms and the broccoli. Saute them up. So I chopped up my bacon into little pieces. I'm going to go ahead and add it to my spatula. Go ahead and add it to our potatoes. Looking good so far. Now this would obviously work for whatever vegetables you had left in your refrigerator. I mean, you could have zucchini, you could have carrots, tomatoes, whatever. Just a great way to take anything that you have left over, mix it with some potatoes, fry it up nice and crispy, and works really well to throw an egg over it. And I have no idea why, but I'm throwing on a little smoked paprika and some Italian herb seasoning. You do know, like I said, I never have a recipe. I just do whatever inspires me at the moment. Okay, so everything is nicely crisp and fried and ready to go. And I'm going to go out on a limb here. I hate washing more than one pan. So I am going to try to poach my eggs right in the center of my veggie mix. Let's see how this goes. Packing in my eggs. Never tried this before. This is a new experiment. Put a lid on it. See how this turns out. Get some steam going. Here I'm frying. So my cheese is melted, my eggs are poached. Now I just have to transfer it successfully onto the plate that we're eating on. And the little bit of water helped to kind of deglaze everything at the bottom. So hey, now I just need to put on my scones that I toasted. So a couple toasted sourdough scones that I just made the other day. And there we go. Oops. And overboard. There is my one pan leftover veggies, bacon, potato, and poached eggs. Ready to eat before we leave.
If you made this recipe and it turned out really well, or you did something different, please feel free to leave me a comment. And also, as always, please hit the like and subscribe button to help support In the Galley videos. Thank you for watching and have a great day.